Hello and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Stella speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, it's my pleasure to announce, my friends, that this week so far in our VIP group of Telegram, we have made so far more than 210 pips of profit within just 2 days alone, and that is really fantastic and very profitable. I mean, this is the VIP group of Telegram. Once you join it, and as we can see, you can check the history by yourself to find out these results that we have sent. As we can see, we are even sometimes adjusting the stop loss to update these signals to make sure to deliver to you the best quality possible of signals. And so far, the losses are really tiny and small, such as 0 pips with a break even and 15 pips of a stop loss only. So therefore, I believe so far we are doing really so well in the VIP group of Telegram. And of course, if you want to join, you can simply contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below of this video. Contact them today and hopefully we will see you there. So let's now begin our midweek analysis, and as usual, we will start with the EURUSD. So to be honest with you, sometimes we do mistakes in the analysis. Of course, this is normal. Not a trader is actually free from this. Sometimes, my friends, we can just not see things clearly. For example, I'm surprised sending a signal to sell the EURUSD after seeing here a clear bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line and the creation of a new support trend line. I mean, I don't even know how I didn't see that. And as we can see, as a result, the signal for selling the EURUSD is failing. So therefore, we have right now to delete this signal instantly and just now get a new one. So now what's next with the EURUSD? So again, let's go back again that the daily chart is showing here a very clear bullish breakout level from this level of a resistance trend line. And here, of course, the bullish breakout. And right now we, of course, have here the creation of a new supported trend line. So meaning the market right now is going to continue the rise. Now, the question is, how far is the EURUSD going to continue the rise to? That's the question. Well, for a starter, let's just make sure that the Fibonacci right now is showing us that the EURUSD is exactly at Fibonacci 61.8. And now, right now, since we're actually having a very clear bullish movement on the EURUSD, it tells us that the EURUSD will continue the rise at least to reach the highest level of a real resistance right here exactly at 1.104. Before it makes any move further, it will continue the rise to another 65 pips at least. But let's remember that the EURUSD is right now actually on the resistance level, and that tells us that by tomorrow, Wednesday, the market actually might start or actually begins a pullback, and we can buy the EURUSD at a certain level. So by moving right now to the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly. Let me just first of all delete everything here so it won't confuse us again. Right now, based on the 4-hour time frame, we can see here a clear level of a broken level of a resistance exactly right there. At 1.094, and as you can see, it was a key resistance in the past, which became also a key resistance. But right here is the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle. Now, according to my strategy, this is the best level to buy the market after a bullish breakout from a resistance, by simply looking at the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle. And if we check this structure right here, let's check the Fibonacci on that structure. We can see that this is exactly Fibonacci 50. Therefore, we will buy the EURUSD exactly at 1.094, targeting now back on the daily chart, targeting the level of a resistance right here exactly at 1.104. So therefore, we can look for around 99 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the support right here at 1.0903, where the market has actually created a new support trend line ranging for 42 pips. Let me now please write the signal for you. And that's everything for this pair. Let's now move to the pound USD. But before we continue, it's important to remind you again that I forgot to remind you in the beginning of this video, sorry. Tomorrow, my friends, at 12:30 p.m. GMT, we'll have the core CPI news. For that, we have to be very, very careful. And remember, every technical analysis completely drops down against these fundamentals. No matter how powerful or accurate your technical analysis, it will never, ever overcome the fundamentals, such as core CPI. So please make sure to close every single position at the time of this news to avoid any unexpected volatility. So right now for the pound USD, as you can see, the pair has indeed hit our take profit level, but sadly hasn't triggered our buy area, which is a bummer. The pound USD moved for around 100 pips already today. So therefore, what's next now with the pound USD? Actually, it's really similar to the Euro USD. Right now, the pair is actually facing right here a resistance zone. So right now, we can expect a pullback to happen. And if that happens, I'm expecting from the pound USD to reverse exactly right here at this level of a real support at 1.282. Let me just be accurate. 1.281. Now, why am I expecting from the pair to reverse exactly from here? We have several reasons. Number one is, of course, the trend lines, the support trend line. So as you can see right now, we have here a real level of a support trend line exactly right here. So right here is a real level of a support trend line number one, number two, number three, and then a fake breakout. The market actually has failed to create a new level of a resistance trend line after this bearish breakout movement happened. So therefore, by tomorrow Wednesday, I'm expecting from the pound USD to fall again and respect the same level of a real support. Remember, I'm right now on the daily chart. Another reason, of course, is by checking the Fibonacci retracement, we can notice right here exactly that this my entry is exactly at 38.2. So most likely now the pound USD will continue the rise toward Fibonacci 61.8, and most likely with this very strong bullish movement, it will even break out from it. But again, I believe the market will actually be calm until the core CPI news are out. Anyway, we can look for around 87 pips profit from this signal, targeting, of course, Fibonacci 61.8 and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of the bottom of the previous support right here exactly at 1.278, which means the safe zone based on the daily chart will be ranging for around 31 pips against 88 pips of profit. That's everything for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. So right now AUDUSD has also hit our take profit level, but sadly hasn't triggered our buy level. What a bummer again. So now what's next with the AUDUSD? So by checking the daily chart, again, we have a very strong bullish movement right now happening. And if we apply the Fibonacci retracement, we can notice that the market has reversed exactly as 61.8. But again, the market will most likely gonna retrace this level of a previous key support level, and afterward it will continue the rise, breaking out from 61.8. And even by applying the support trend lines, just like we did now with the pound USD, we can see clearly that we have right here, of course, a real level of a support trend line, real level of support trend line, and another fake breakout. So therefore, most likely, the AUDUSD will continue to fall toward that level of a real support level, or support on horizontal level, and then also a new support trend line. So therefore, we have to wait for the AUDUSD to fall to another, let me just be sure. We have to make sure we are drawing the line correctly and accurately. Exactly, right here, exactly. Yes, at the absolutely bottom of a real support right here at 0.659. That will be, in my opinion, the best level to start buying the pair after it drop to another 28 pips. And of course, we will be targeting the highest level of a real resistance right here exactly at 0.666. As you can see, I'm going fast in the signals because it's almost 10 p.m. here at my local time or local country, and it's time to bed. So I just want to make the video and just get to bed, honestly speaking. Anyway, my friends, we will be looking to around 78 pips of profit, and the safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support right here also at 0.655, ranging for around 33 pips only. So let's now move, my friends, to the USDCAD, which almost gonna remain the same. The signal is not activated, sorry. I mean, it's going as predicted. However, we have to adjust right now the sell to be exactly right here at the highest level of a resistance at 1.374. If the market will make any pullbacks, I'm not expecting right now from it to go higher than this level of a resistance. So therefore, let me just make sure it's just edited right here to be at 1.374, and that's it. This signal, my friends, seems promising. This is again the daily chart, and most likely the USDCAD might actually begin the new candle by a pullback and go to another 28 pips. And I'm not expecting actually from the pair to be able to break out from this level of a resistance zone right here. So therefore, our entry has been adjusted to be at 1.374, hoping for it to be actually activated by tomorrow. And we will actually look for around 80 pips of profit. That's everything for the USDCAD. Let's now move to the NZD/USD. Okay, now I need to calm down because I feel like I was talking very fast and I lost it and I was just bluffing. Alright, so now for the NZD/USD. What's now next with the NZD/USD? I feel like I said USDCAD earlier. Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing now. Now what we can do right now, as you can see here for the, if we look at the NZD/USD, a strong bullish movement also has been detected. Not only that, but the market right now, if we apply right now the Fibonacci retracement, is breaking out from all these retracements. It didn't reverse at any of them. I mean, we are just seeing continuously blue candles with zero red candles over the last month. And that means that the market right now is actually facing a very strong bullish movement, and most likely it will continue the rise at least to break out from 61.8 toward the real level of resistance right here exactly at 0.613. So therefore, we have to consider buying the NZD/USD in the upcoming days of this week. So right now, if we check the Fibonacci 50 right now, we can see that it is exactly right here at the bottom of the support at, let me just be sure, at 0.603. Now pay attention that the same level was actually a very strong key level of a support in the past. Not only a support, even a resistance as well. So that means that this level most likely is going to be respected. Now pay attention that based on the daily chart, we have here of course a small resistance which has instantly been broken out from. And right here, of course, we have the nearest level of a key support to that bullish breakout candle. Again, that is exactly my strategy, my friends. Always look for the nearest level of a support to the bullish breakout candle and just simply place your buy order, and you can exit your trade at the nearest level of a key resistance to that entry. Now, by just simply looking at it, we can see clearly that we have right here, of course, the nearest level of a key resistance to this entry of a new support. So therefore, we can look for around 94 pips profit from this signal and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of a real support right here exactly at 0.599. So the safe zone will be ranging for around 37 pips against 95 pips of profit. That's everything for the NZD/USD, and let's finally move to the USDCHF. Alright, so of course the buy signal for the USDCHF, first of all, it hasn't been activated. Second of all, it's no longer valid because the market, as you can see, has almost reversed from the take profit level. It reversed by almost 15 pips far away from it, so therefore this instantly disqualified this signal. Now what we have right here on the USDCHF is a very clear head and shoulders pattern. And that means that this pair most likely is going to continue the fall at least toward the real level of a support right here at 0.849, which means the pair still has around 170 pips more to go. So where exactly we can resell this pair again? In my opinion, it's going to be the best idea to sell the pair exactly at this level of a real resistance right here exactly as 0.866. First of all, let me just make sure it's accurate, like that. So first of all, this was of course the nearest level of a key resistance, and right here we can see the head. The head is right here. We can see the shoulder has actually been created and again being respected. So therefore, we have entirely two attempts of a resistance at the left shoulder, and then the head, as we can see, has been created, and again, the right shoulder has been respected not only as a resistance but also as a support, which instantly been broken out from. So therefore, this level of a support couldn't actually hold the position for a long time and instantly been broken out from. So therefore, if the USDCHF will continue the rise, I'm expecting from this level of a key resistance trend line, a key level of a resistance to be respected once again, and instantly the USDCHF will continue the fall. And if that happens, we can actually target at least the nearest level of a key support to our entry at 0.857, targeting at least 90 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the top of the head at 0.870, ranging for around let's say around 40 pips at least. Let me please now write the signal for you. And there goes your signals, my friends, for the remaining days of this week. I really hope it's going to be a profitable week, and hopefully we will make good profits with us. And again, don't forget please to join our VIP group of Telegram to enjoy these profits. I believe we are really doing so well, and I really hope that Xtreme Trader VIP Signals is back on track, and we are very strong as we have ever been before. So make sure to join it, and seeing is believing. Try it yourself, and don't listen to the haters who don't actually know what kind of updates we have already made to our signals. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.